So for the Bohr model, Bohr model has energy levels, and in these energy levels, the energy levels are used to represent the energy level of the electron, the charge of the electron. Energy level. Okay, and as I said, these rings are called shells, and these represent the energy level. And the higher the shell is, so that means that so the higher the shell is, the greater the energy of the electrons are. So, for example, if I make a Bohr model of the atom oxygen, then that means that since there are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are only 8 electrons. So that means that I would have to erase this because this shell is not needed. But this is how we are supposed to show our electrons. So so each shell has a number. So these are also called, this is N1. This is 2. And if there is a third one, that one is going to be 3. So the higher the shell is, so the second shell has a higher charge than the first shell because it has more electrons. And the electrons that are on the most outermost layer of that specific atom, that specific electron in the Bohr model, like for example, for the electron oxygen, oh my god, I'm mixing up. For the atom oxygen, this is the valence shell. Valence shell means the most outer layer of a shell.